Look at this public relationships or celebrities relationships blog, and this is making an amazing amount of the money via writing simple ChatGPT articles. If you see the traffic value of this blog, you can see the organic traffic is more than 7 million and the traffic value is 1.8 million. So you can imagine at least 1 million, because the most of traffic is coming from United States. We are going to learn how to set a professional blog, how to choose the right hosting and get the free domain, and if you cannot afford the paid hosting, then how to get a free domain and hosting. Also, how to do free keyword research using Ahrefs keyword research tool, and also how to write SEO optimized articles using ChatGPT. At the end of the video, you are going to learn how to customize the blog. Before starting a blog, you need to have the keywords for your blog, because without keywords you are starting the blog, it means you are not going to successful. So now we are going to do the keyword research for our relationship blog. So for example, our topic or niche is relationship. So here in the Ahrefs keyword research, we are going to find out the free keywords. So here I will just paste the relationship and click on find keywords, and here you can see we have the easy and hard competition keyword. From that you can see the competition is not given because this is not the free version. So I will show you how we can find out the keyword difficulty for these as well. So here I just copy these keywords as, because these have the keyword difficulty written on that, so I will just copy that and paste into our Google Sheet. Now you can see here in the sheet I will just paste the data that we have recently copied. You can see keyword difficulty is also written and the volume is also written. So we will remove keywords that have hard difficulty, because we will go with only keyword difficulty that is easy. So you can see this is hard, so we don't need to work with that, and the keywords that have medium, we also don't need to do work with that. We are going to go with only easy keywords. So here and here, for example, I just copy this keyword again, that this difficulty is not given, so I'll just cut this, paste here and find keywords. So now you can see the keyword difficulty will be appear for this keyword as well. You can see this is the easy keyword difficulty for this keyword. So you can see just copy and paste here. So just like that, one by one we are going to do the keyword research and find out the lowest competition keywords with the highest volume, because the highest volume with low competition keyword we can get an amazing results. You can see this, the keyword difficulty is not given but the volume is also less than, so this is not going to work. So just like that, we going to do the keyword research and paste into Google Sheet, and this sheet should have at least 100 to 200 keywords that will be work for your next 6 months. So for now I have 11 keywords here, so you need to find out at least 100 to 200 keywords for your relationship blog. This is the free method to do the keyword research. After getting the keywords, you need to have your website. So if you already have the website and hosting, it's okay, and if you don't have the hosting or the domain, you can go to buy the amazing hosting with free domain. Scroll down to the description of my video and click on this link, and here on according to your country you will see the up to 70% of hosting packages, and if you bit scroll down you will see these kind of packages belong to your country. So here for example I select this plan because I'm planning to create more than one websites, but if you want to create only one website, this plan with one website is great for you. Okay, so let me select this plan. Just click on choose plan, and here in the 48 months you just need to select the 12 months, and here you just need to click on continue. And if you already have the Hostinger account, you can just log in with your email, and you just need to click on the login with your Google account. So you can select either email or password, or either you can select the Google account. So I just click on Google, and here I select my Google account and click on continue. After login, you will be redirected to the cart page again, and I also change the currency to US dollar to better understanding. So here I just click on continue. Here you just need to enter the billing information and your phone number here. After adding the billing information, you just need to click on continue, or if you have any coupon code, you can just paste the coupon code here and just click on continue. Here you just need to add your payment information, and you can go with the PayPal, GPay, Alipay, or CoinGate. So here I'm going to use my credit card. After adding your card information, you just need to click on submit payment. Now the payment has been settled, so let's get started. After doing the payment, you will be redirected this page, and here you can set up your website. Here is asking for the website is for myself. I select this one, just click on next, and here you can select the create website. If you have already website, you can select the migrate one. So I select the create website and click on next. You can also select the WordPress, so I select the WordPress and click on next, and here you just need to select the credentials for your WordPress. So here you can use the password that you can easily remember. You can select here blogs, and here if you click on blog, there will be a lot of blogs layout in front of you. So you can also select the use theme instead, so you can also use the themes. For example, I go with this layout, the tech news layout, and click on continue. And here you can see these are the recommended plugins that is need to install. So for now we don't need to install these plugins, and here you can claim your free domain. In the start of the video, I just told you if you purchase the hosting via my affiliate link, you will get the free domain. So here I will select the domain, so enter your niche. So your domain should be related to your niche, for example. So here I have selected the domain according to my niche. So here I select this and click on next. Here you need to give the information for the registering the domain. So here you select your country, and here you select the personal and click on next. And here you just need to enter the contact details again for the domain. So here I have already given the contact details, so here I just selected these and finish registration. So your domain will be registered using these details. Here your email, phone number will be used for the registration, and finish. Here you can see where is your targeted audience, so I select United States, so and click on install WordPress. It is installing the WordPress. It can take a few seconds or 1 minute, so you need to wait. Now the WordPress has been installed. As you can see, this is the layout for the home page, for example, and if you click on save, it is directly open the home page design. And here if you click on preview, so you can preview the home page style as well. Now there are the dummy data. For example, this is the data for example the ads placement, so you can remove the extra things from that and place your own widgets. For example, this is the post grid. For example, all the posts are coming here, so here you can remove the unnecessary things and unnecessary data. For now I'm not going to remove anything, but I told you how you can remove. For example, you just need to click here, and on the right side there are the things that you can remove, or in the style you can give the style of these widgets here. For example, here is the your social media icons, for example. So if you click here, you can see these are the social media icons and the text that you can easily change here. For example, here is the content, and in the content you can make changes here. For example, here, so here you can change. Okay, so this is how you can make changes. So this is the home page style. I think this is looking good. So if you see here on the top, this is the header and this is the logo, and this is the footer. So how you can modify, I will also let you know. After getting into the WordPress dashboard, we need to install a plugin which is called Yoast SEO plugin, which will use to recognize our SEO score of the posters. So this is the Yoast SEO plugin. You just need to install and activate. Now this has been installed, so you can start the configuration, but I am going to skip now to proceed our. So for now I'm going to skip now. If you cannot afford the paid hosting, you can go with the InfinityFree.com, which provide you the free hosting and domain. So I still recommend you to go with the paid hosting with Hostinger, because with the free limited hostings you will face some speed issues, and these free domains are not recommended by the Google. So if you are doing practice and learning blogging, so the free Infinity is good for you. But if you are going to start the professional career, so you must go with the Hostinger. So let me get back into the topic. Now we have the keywords and installed the WordPress into our domain. So we go into our WordPress dashboard, and here in the dashboard we are going to add the posts regarding our keywords. So what we need to do is we need to go into the DeepSeek or ChatGPT and click on new chat, and here you just need to write the prompt that is given into the description. I have written this prompt, and here you just need to add your keyword, and this prompt should be the same. So here I have written this prompt, so you can read this prompt carefully. So and just click on the enter button. So what it will do, it will write the professional blog for you without any human effort. After adding the prompt, the ChatGPT has written the article, but here I said this is now 3,000 words, so make it. So now the ChatGPT again written and also given the images as the reference and SEO title, and this is the structure of the article as our given preface. So here the Wikipedia and reference links are also added. So now what you need to do is just go back here into the WordPress, click on posts, click on add a new post, and here ChatGPT, and here I'll just copy that article, paste here. Now you can see this is our clean and new version, and here in the title you just need to go back, and here you'll see the SEO title here. So here is the SEO title, and just copy that and paste here. So this is the SEO title, this is the meta description. I will just let you know where you know to use that. So here the second thing that you need to do is, here you can see the images prompt are given. So in some cases you can generate these images via image generators, for example Bing AI images and so on. There are a lot of images generator free of cost, and these images, because of these are related to celebrities, so we just need to copy this prompt and search in the Google related to this image. So here you can see these images are found. So you just need to click on the image, and you just need to save this image into your computer. For example, I just say image 1, and here you can see this is the image 1. So open the canva.com, because we have downloaded this image from the other website, so we just need to do some modifications on this image. So here you just need to open the Canva, and here in the Canva you can just start any image interface for your. So here is the downloaded image, so I will just upload this image, for example here, and here I just upload this image. For example, here I just add this image and make it full width on that. And here what we need to do is, here I just search for happy icon here, for example. So what it will do, it will remove the copyrights and the tags from the image. So here I just add here, what it will do, it will remove, and here I just title this according to our keyword. So what is our keyword here is the Gallant Paul relationship. So here I just copy this and paste here in that. So here is the image title. So here, because this is the first image, so I just make it 1 and click on download, and it should be in the JPEG, and the quality should be lower because it should load faster on the browser. So here you can see this is just 73 KBs, and here I'll just remove that prompt here, and here I just select that and click on that and search for the image here. So here is the image that we need to upload, that is designed by the Canva. Here we have edited this image, open that, and now this image is cleaned and copyright free. So I hope you understand how you can make your images copyright free. Now one by one, for example, there we need to add the image. So one by one we need to add the images here. So finally I have added the few images inside, and you can see these images, and I have also added some icons and graphics on these images that will make the copyright free. So now we have the copyright free images on our website. Now what we need to do is we need to do the on page SEO for this blog. So for that we are using the Yoast SEO plugin. You can also use the direct math as well, but for now I'm using the Yoast one. Okay, so here you can see there is no focus keyword. So our focus keyword is here. This is the focus keyword. So I will just copy that and paste here in the focus keyword, and here in the title you can see this is also added. So you can see if I make this here, and you can see there is the slide and meta description. So here we'll just go back and copy the meta description from the given key type article. So here is the meta description I have already added into the prompt. So you will get the meta description. Just copy that and paste here in the meta description. So you can see this is the meta description. So here I will just copy the slug, for example, any of the keyword. You can just copy that as the slug and paste here into the slug. So here you can see there are more things that we need to do. Is the images don't have the key phrase, as well as the images don't have the texts. So what you need to do is, for now I'll just publish it, and I wanna make this refresh. So now the second step we need to do is just copy, and here just click here. After clicking on the image you can see the alternate text. So what you need to do is you just need to copy the prompt given by the ChatGPT and paste here into the alt text. So what it will do, it will be used as the alt text. So one by one I will just copy the alt text in the prompts and paste as into the alt text. I have already uploaded the images, so I just replace the alt text that is provided by the ChatGPT. So just copy that and paste here. Now if you go above, and you can see here, you can see the key phrase in the images are added, which is a good job. Now this is converted into the good job. Now what you need to do is the key phrase in the meta description is not added. So here the Genpal full relationships in the history. So this is not a major issue. Now if you see here only few problems, so I will just save here. Now from that you can see there is the not have auto link and internal link. So this is very important. So for example, if you have some blogs into your website, so you just need to add the internal links. For example, there is the challenge Paul Gigi Paris, for example. So you can also give the external links as well, but I prefer you to give the internal links. So if you have more key articles about the challenge Paul, so what it will give, it will give you the internal link. So here you can also add the internal link. For example, this is my article about this, and here I just click here and here click on enter. So it will give us the backlink. So this is how the backlink works. So I hope you understand what the backlink is. So you just need to give the internal link for your blog and the another blog related to this topic. So you can see the SEO is going now, and if you click on readability, so there is an issue with the readability. There is the two sentences with 3 more consecutive sentences. So if you click on that, and here is the issue of the consecutive sentences, here you can see. So here he is repeated 3 times. So this is not a big issue. Okay, so now this is how you can write the amazing article using AI for the celebrity relationships blog. And this is an amazing and smooth article that with no effort you have written. So this is the blog. Okay, so here another thing you need to do is, here is the set as the featured image. So here is the featured image. We just need to add any of the images from the uploaded images, for example, and click on save. So now our article is complete. And if we customize our blog here, for example, this is the header and this is the footer. So we start with the header. For example, this is the logo. So we need a logo for our website. So how you can create a free logo? So you just need to simply go into the ChatGPT, and here you just need to add the prompt, and here is the create image area, and here you can just describe the logo. For example, this is the logo, that is the logo of our current template. So we just need to see the size of this logo that we can give to the ChatGPT, that we can get exact size for our logo. This is the size of the logo, for example, here, and here is this is the logo size. So my website name, here I just need to, here I have given the color scheme, the size of the logo, and the logo title. You just need to enter your domain or anything that you want to display on the logo and hit enter. So within few seconds or within a minute, it will give you a stunning logo that you can use. Now you can see the ChatGPT has given us an amazing logo. So if you want to make the modifications, you can also do, but I will just download this logo, and this is downloaded into our PC, you can see. And here in the dashboard, you just need to click on customize. Here in the header, you just need to click on site title and logo. So this is the site title and logo. So here change logo and upload the logo that you have recently created. So I just upload this, and here you can change the title here. So here I just say a relation news logo, because this is the alt text that represent our logo. It will ask you to crop the logo, so definitely we need to crop, because this one, the given one, is the bigger one. So I just crop this here and here. So just click on crop image, so it will be fit on the screen, so you can see this is too much. So here logo width, I select 168. So you can see the logo width is adjusted. So here is the site title, so you can just change the site title. So here I just select the relationships news, for example, as the site title, because here here I just select this one, and tagline. So here in the tagline, you can just give the tagline, amazing tagline for your blog. And here in the site icon, you just need to select the icon for the site. For example, this is the site icon, so select icon, because I have already uploaded the logo. From the logo, I select the site icon. For example, this is the site icon that will appear on the top. So just click on crop image, so this image will be displayed here, just like that. You can see this is the site title, and here we just made the configurations that was necessary. And if you click on the header again, and here you can see there is the here the area that you can customize. For example, this is the button that you can there is the subscribe button, you can change this, and there is the sign out button, you can also change this. And this is the menu, for example, so here you can select the primary menu and secondary menu here. So you can just create a new menu and also select here. So I will let you know in this video also how to create the menu, but you can customize here. So here is the widgets. For example, here if you click on footer, so here is the footer area, this is customizable. If you click on widget, and here I just click on got it, and you can see there is the old logo that is displaying. So I just click on replace with our new logo and select our logo here. Here you can see in the footer, so this is the replaced. And if you click on this, so these are the social media icons that you can easily customize and add your own links. So here is also a menu that you can also add a new menu here, and this is the empty widgets area. So here in this area, for example, this is the widget 3 and widget 4, which you can use for your own preferences. So here is the copyright text that you can easily customize here. So here how you can customize the header and footer. So these two important things that we have done the customization, the header and the footer, that you can easily customize. Also we have added the favicon on the top. So let we go back into our WordPress dashboard. Now the website has been customized, and most important thing here, the menu and the categories. So these are, for example, these are the categories. So here in the posts, and click on categories, and here you can add or remove the categories. For example, these are the categories, and you can also remove the unnecessary. For example, I just click on delete, so this will be removed. And if you add a new one, for example, so this is the relationships category, I just click on add. So how this is, you can see there is edit. So this is how you can add the relationships or other categories here. So you can also remove, these are the dummy categories. I'm not removing that because it will disturb all the design. So you can remove after installing the WordPress and everything, because these are the dummy categories. So here we can add the posts here. These are the posting area. So these are the dummy posts. So I recommend you, after adding your own posts or before adding your own posts, you just need to click on select and click on move to test and delete that, because these are not related to our topic. So this is how you can stand out an amazing blog for you, a professional blog related to any topic. Today we learn the relationships blog, but you can set up your own blog within few clicks with free of cost. So I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any other issues.